Welcome to the 8th video in my beginner's beat series. I'm back again today with another quite challenging one. It's especially difficult on the kick drum foot. It will test your speed and endurance, but it's well worth pursuing because this is a great beat to have in your arsenal. So without further ado, here is a video of me playing the beat at 60 BPM. Play along once you're confident you know how the beat should sound. Speeding up now to 90 BPM, play along when you're ready. Now, here is the Drumless track that I have specifically created to work with this beat. It's a funky one, it's at 90 BPM. I haven't put in any specific gaps for fills, but if you'd like to play some, you can put them in wherever you feel like it. So take it away, guys. Cheers for playing along. If you enjoyed this one, then please hit the like button. And if you're going to continue playing, then why not check out one of my other lessons or Drumless tracks.